Welcome to Technica Media. In this video, we will take you to the Aseana City and the Entertainment City. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel to learn more about the Philippines and like this video as well. If you want to watch our videos about modern Philippines, please click on the link above. The video starts now. The Aseana City is a 100-hectare national government-initiated real estate development project in the Bay City. At the helm is the Philippine Reclamation Authority, located at the Roxas Boulevard near the Redemptorist Church in Baclaran, bounded by the SM by the Bay on its north side. If you want to watch our video about SM by the Bay, please click on the link above. Aseana City is the next up-and-coming business and commercial district in Metro Manila. At the moment, rapid development is underway. Even though there are a lot of construction going on, there are still a lot of open spaces. I can't wait until the master plan of the Aseana has been fulfilled. Entertainment City and its casinos are the anchor developments in Aseana City. The Philippines is poised to compete with the casinos of Macau. Entertainment City, or the East City, is a gaming and entertainment complex being developed by Pagcor. It currently houses 3 casinos, namely the Solaire Resorts and Casino, City of Dreams Manila, and the Okada Manila. Still under development are the Westside City Resorts World and NayonLanding, a Filipino Cultural Themed park. Enjoy discounts and savings when you travel with Larga. Discounts and perks awaits you when you sign up using the link in the description. If you want to watch our video about Makati, please click on the link above. The Aseana and Entertainment City development is something to look out for in the future. Stay tuned in our channel for future videos about this. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.